Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today we'll be bringing you Espada Ya Daga from Kali, a simple 4-count drill to start working on your long and short sword or knife and stick drill. But before we do that, I need you to go over, click the boxes to like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay, our first Espada Ya Daga drill that we're going to do is a 4-piece combination. We're going to come down at an angle 1 and follow through. We're going to step through with your blade, circle back for your 2, backhand with the stick, straight thrust with a knife. So again, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, reset. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, I strike down with the angle 1, I'd step through, cross with my opponent, back fist in the face, thrust toward the head or neck. Again, this is a nice simple 4-part series for Espada Ya Daga. Okay, to utilize this, if you have a training partner, let's turn it into a 2-person exercise before we get into application. We're going to face each other flat neutral. We're going to strike with our 1, follow through. We're going to step up and we're just simply going to pass here for our 2, back fist for 3, straight thrust, cross at the wrist for 4, and reset. So let's do it a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reset. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a simple way to train it for a 2-person drill. Okay, now utilizing this in a self-defense scenario. If Keith steps in with the stick, I want to come out. In practice, we practice hitting the stick. Reality is going to dictate that I want to target the hand and break the finger. So once again, I'm going to come in, I'm going to target, drop that down, step through, stab, backhand, and thrust. So one more time, strike the hand, step through, backhand and thrust, and one more. Strike the hand, step through, backhand, and thrust. That's a simple 4-piece Espada Ya Daga combination.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.